Kawawa si so
He looked okay. I mean, considering it was his first day of, 14, 15-hour flight, he still joined us in practice. I mean, he looked pretty good. His hands, his touch is still there. I mean, he was working hard. I expected him to take it easy in practice, pero I mean, I tip my hat off. He was very professional today.
So he arrived when?
This morning at like 5, 6 a.m., siguro he got to the hotel. Di pa naka-check-in, alis na kaagad siya to go to practice. So, it's good for us.
What time was the practice?
We practiced at 10 di ba? I mean, he was actually supposed to come last week pa, pero medyo may family emergency yata siya. So, he asked if he could come later. And sabi namin, sige, wala namang problema. But, yun lang. I mean, I didn't want him to miss too many practices kasi he already missed 4 and our preparation time is short. But, at least he's here now, so we're happy that he's here.
Do you expect the same Mikey Williams that he had shown?
I definitely hope so. I mean, that's why I got him. So I hope he's still in that same level. I know he hasn't played or we haven't seen him play, but he told me he's working even harder there in the US than when he's out here kasi that's all he's doing. But syempre yung game shape, game timing, medyo iba siguro yun. Pero sana makuha niya kaagad. Anyway, he's a vet, yun siya bata.
No chance of Converge bringing him in?
I don't know. I think that's out of our control. I'd love to have him, but still, as of now, he's with TNT, so we'll leave it there. Anyways, we just focus on who we have right now.
Si DeMarcus Cousins kailan darating?
He should be here by tomorrow, but then he'll join us sa practice. He had some commitments also sa USA, so we let him do that first.
First few days, how's the team going? If kahit kulang-kulang...
It's okay. They're working hard. Not yet in great shape right now, to be honest. We're still lacking some bigs, but hopefully with the addition of DeMarcus, that will change things. The guys are a bit banged up. Latch is a bit sore. Ange is also sore kasi he's back and forth sa EASL. But the other guys have been okay naman so far.